Hi, this is Tasha, the Crafty Kraut. I'm going to do this quick little YouTube on how to make your own individual aluminum foil baking tins. Excuse me. I'm in the middle of moving, and I have packed way more stuff than I needed to pack. So now I have like nothing here. Let's see if I can have my phone hold that. Okay. So I'm making shepherd's pie, so I want individual little sheets, individual little cups. So I'm just going to get 2 pieces of aluminum foil. I'm going to put my desired size container in the middle of the foil, and then I'm just going to go up around it. So just go up around on all sides, and you can kind of fold it down. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so there we go. So now when you take this out, you have a perfect little baking dish. Voila. Okay, so then you can fold it to your desirable height. I mean, that height would be okay. I don't need it quite that high, I don't think. But, so I'm just going to fold over the edges. I could go ask my neighbor to borrow a dish, but it's just easier. I don't have to clean it. So, yeah. So I have the perfect little baking dish for my individual shepherd's pie. And then I have made the other 5 as well. These 2 back here are a little smaller. I did a little different technique, which wasn't quite as good. But anyways, thanks for watching.